we'd set up the tent, just safety precautions if it starts to rain and we get flooded in or animals attack us, whatever. We're just keeping some of our stuff there, but we've got some light twigs and stuff. Because there's mud, we've set a dry ground with some grass to put the fire on. And then there's some of the wood. We're going out to get some more wood, but not in here. We're going out to the drier eucalypt forests, and I'll show you where we camp. There's the shoes and socks. There's my bed. Pretty cool, hanging stuff up there. There's lambs. Been hacking away at the tree. Nice caterpillar.
Go on the side. Go on the sign.
There's our sign. You can figure out what it means, but we'll eventually tell you. The open, let's go. Open meadow. I'm gonna cross a creek to get there. Been kangaroos laying here.
Yep. So that's top.
Oh, cool. Oh, it is clear. Liam was right. It's actually quite clear. You game to go in that, Liam? We should swim across.
Swim across?
I don't know how deep it is.
Well, we should go around.
I just want to see how deep it is.
Oh, the camera's on. Go on, you baller, Tom, let's go.
We could drink this water and we could like boil it first and then drink it.
Yeah.
No, I wouldn't. If I was had no other water and we had no fire, I'd drink it. But I think it's best just to boil it.
Yeah. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, right. Be with you in a second.
You got him?
It's my demonstration of how
to kill the bitches.
How to kill the bitches, that's it. I'm going to investigate this cubby house here.
This area here is what you call woodland. So it's not forest because it's too open. But here in Australia we just call sort of...
It is a land of plentiful wood.
Yeah, so there's a lot of firewood here, as you can probably see. Kangaroos hang out here. They sleep here and they graze here. I've actually never seen much woodland here before. Here's my pack mule, he's carrying all my sticks.
You're filming, you told me to.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Mate, you remember who's got the machete here?
Yeah.
You remember where we are, mate?